Good evening, ma'am. My name is Praful Bele and I'm from collegedunia.com. Very warm welcome to you on our interview series that is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview various dignitaries such as the owners, directors, and HODs of various universities and colleges. Before starting the interview, I would request you to kindly give a brief introduction of yourself and then we can proceed ahead with the interview. Ma'am.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sangeeta Prasannara, Head of the Department of Automation and Robotics at VES Institute of Technology, Chembur, Mumbai. I have been working with VESIT for the last 17 years.
So, ma'am, that was really great to hear about your introduction part. Now, let's go to the first question of this interview series, and that is what keeps you connected to the education sector, and how has your experience been so far with the institute?
See, the education sector is one such sector which is continuously evolving, and so we need to keep ourselves updated with the new technology and developments. This continuous updation requires learning, and that is something that I like about this education sector. My experience as far as VESIT is concerned, it has been wonderful for the reason that VESIT encourages faculty members to continuously update themselves with the upcoming technologies and latest software. So this is done through many faculty development programs and workshops. This gives us a fulfilling feeling of updation and satisfaction.
Do you have any extracurricular activities or programs that enhance the skill sets of the students?
Yeah, especially in our department, there is automation and robotics. We have a professional society called as International Society of Automation, ISA. It is a very strong society where students across all the years participate actively. Under this professional society, a number of technical and non-technical events are conducted for the students, which help them to grow holistically. In addition, in our institute, we have many extracurricular events happening like Praxis, Utsav, etc., which help them to grow overall, both in the administrative way and management way, which helps them to face the real world challenges.
Ma'am, how does the curriculum of VESIT ensure that the students are being prepared for the future?
As on date, VESIT was affiliated to Mumbai University and so was following the syllabus of Mumbai University. But from this current academic year, VESIT has been conferred academic autonomy, and so the syllabus would be done as per the autonomous syllabus. As far as our department is concerned, which is automation and robotic, VESIT is one of the pioneer engineering colleges to start this department, and so all the faculty members in this department are actively involved in the syllabus setting. So in this process of syllabus setting, we have been actively interacting with industry people, trying to find out what are the latest developments there, taking their continuous feedback in the process of designing and developing the courses. So, the syllabus that has been set at VESIT will make our students being prepared for the future.
Ma'am, what do you see as the greatest strengths of VESIT?
The greatest strength of VESIT, I would say, are its stakeholders, meaning its students, faculty, alumni, and industry. I think, as already we have discussed, students at VESIT are admitted solely on the basis of merit and are of good quality. Secondly, our faculty members, many of them have stayed with VESIT for more than a decade and so are well experienced and well educated and informed, so they impart good education to our students. Thirdly, we have a very strong alumni network where alumni continuously interact with students through many interactions in which they brief the students about the opportunities available in the industry and the skill set that students should acquire to face them. And lastly, VESIT has a very good industry connect through which students are regularly updated with the latest developments that are happening in the field. So, I would feel that the main pillars of strength for VESIT are its four stakeholders.
Any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
One suggestion, or more so of a request to the current youth and aspiring students, is to have a very open mindset towards higher education and to please grab opportunities as they come in various fields. Every field, be it engineering, management, arts, commerce, science, has its own essence and flavor, and each of this should be cherished by the current youth. In engineering, particularly like mechanical, electrical, electronics, automation, computer science, all the branches have their own pros and cons. So, students, do not go with the herd mentality, and remember that every one of you are unique. So, please pursue the education in the field of your interest and shine in it. All the very best for a very colorful future.
Ma'am, it has been a pleasure talking and interacting with you today and listen to your views on the interview series that is Thoughts on Education. I thank you on behalf of the College Dunya team and we wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.